Today we are going to learn about simple equations. So let's understand what is an equation. So few basic things we should know. So let's see what is an equation first. So for equation it will have an equal to sign and a variable. For example 3x plus 1 gives you 9. Okay, so this is an equation which has equal to sign. Okay, where it has equal to sign, that's why it's equation equal to. It has a variable. Okay, so variable is something which can change. Okay, any number can come in place of this, but it has to satisfy. Okay, so this side of the equal to sign is known as the right hand side. The left side of the equal to sign is known as left hand side. For example, if I give an equation 5 plus x is equal to 9, so my LHS is this 5 plus x and 9 is my RHS. One thing you should know, that equal to means both the sides are equal. So what value should come in place of x? So x will be 4, that is equal to 9, which is equal to the right hand side, that is your RHS. So the value of x is 4. Okay, now let's understand what is a linear equation. So we know what is the equation which has an equal to sign, a variable. In a linear equation, your variable have one power. Okay, for example 5x plus 2 is equal to 13. If you notice, the power over here is 1, the maximum power is 1. If I write this as like this, x square plus 2 is equal to 13, now the power is 2. Similarly, when you have something like ax cube plus bx square plus 18, here the maximum power is 3. So this is not a linear equation, this is not a linear equation, but this, the first one, is a linear equation because there's equal to sign, you have one variable. Okay, linear equation with one variable, and the maximum power is 1. So whenever you have a variable and you have the power 1, it's a linear equation. If your power is not 1, for example if it is 6x square minus 3 is equal to 10, here the power is not 1, so it's not a linear equation. Let's see how to solve simple equations. Let's take the first example, that is x minus 6 is equal to 2. Okay, so let's take that example. So there are many ways to solve. Okay, first way is, take this minus 6 on the other side. Okay, so x will be equal to 2 plus 6. See, whenever a number goes from one side to the other side of equal to sign, the sign changes. Before it was minus 6, when it goes on the right hand side it will be plus 6. If it is multiplication, when it goes on the other side it becomes division. So now here it is x is equal to 8. So 8 is known as the solution of the equation or the root of the equation. So what is the solution for this equation, x minus 6 is equal to 2? The answer is 8. What do we mean by solution? Let's place this 8 in place of our x in our equation. So our equation is x minus 6 is equal to 2. Let's put 8 in place of x. So it will be 8 minus 6, which will be equal to 2. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 is equal to 2. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. If you are getting left hand side equal to right hand side, that means our answer is correct, or the root is correct, or the solution is correct. Let's solve the second question, that is x plus 5 is equal to minus 6. See, we want to find x, so keep x as it is. Take plus 5 on the other side. When it goes on the other side, it will become minus 5. It will be minus 6. Okay, so it will be minus 6 minus 5. So x will be equal to minus 11. If you don't know how minus 6 and minus 5 is minus 11, I have already put a video on integers. Please have a look on that video, because there are two numbers with the same sign, you add them up and put the common sign. So this is the answer, this is the solution. X divided by 4 is equal to 5. Now we want to find x, correct? So whatever is along with the x, you take it on the other side. Here this means x divided by 4 is equal to 5. Take this on that side. So x will be equal to 5 into 4. So x will be equal to 20. That's the root or the solution of this equation. Pretty simple. Let's move on to the next question. You'll understand better how to solve and find the answer for the equation. Okay, let's find the value of 3x minus 2 equal to 10. See, along with x we have 3 also in multiplication, and then we have minus 2 also on the left hand side. First of all, take this minus 2 on that side. So that is equal to 3x is equal to 10. Minus 2, when it goes that side, the sign changes to plus 2. 3x will be equal to 10 plus 2. So 3x will be equal to 12. Now over here we have multiplication. When you take the 3 on the other side, it will become division. So x will be equal to 12 divided by 3. So the answer will be equal to 4. So x is the solution. X is equal to 4 is the solution of the equation 3x minus 2. So now let's solve one more question, that is 2x upon 4. Okay, so this is 2x, the whole thing upon 4 is equal to 3. First take this 4 on the other side. Over here it's division, when it goes on the other side it will become multiplication. So 2x will be equal to 12, x will be equal to 12 divided by 2, because here it's multiplication, when it goes that side it will become division. 2 ones are 2 6 are, so x is equal to 6 is the answer, that is the root of the equation. Let's solve this question, that is 6z minus 8 is equal to 1. Take minus 8 on the other side. So 6z will be equal to 1 plus 8. 6z is equal to 9. Z is equal to 9 divided by 6. Cancel it with the number 3. 3 2s are, 3 3s are. So z is equal to 3 by 2. That is the answer. Let's solve few more questions. 4y plus 5 is equal to minus 3. So let's take plus 5 on the other side. So 4y is equal to minus 3 minus 5. 4y is equal to minus 8. Y is equal to minus 8 upon 4, because here is multiplication. When it goes on that side, it will be division. 4 ones are, 4 twos are. So answer is y is equal to minus 2. Let's solve the next question. 3x minus 4 is equal to 11. Take minus 4 on the other side. So 3x is equal to 11 plus 4. 3x is equal to 15 is multiplication. When 3 goes that side, it become division. So x is equal to 15 divided by 3. So x is equal to 5. So 3 ones are, 3 5s are. So 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 5. Take minus 3 on the other side. So 2x will be equal to minus 5 plus 3. So 2x will be equal to minus 2, because minus 5 and plus 3, the answer is 2, and greater number sign, so minus 5 is greater, so minus 2. X will be equal to minus 2 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones. So x is equal to minus 1 is the answer. So let's move on to the next question. 5 bracket x minus 1 bracket close equal to 2x plus 3 plus 1. So how to solve such a question? First of all, we need to open the bracket. Okay, outside the bracket there is 5, so you multiply with each and every thing that is inside the bracket. So first of all, it will be 5 into x. In between there is minus, so you put minus, then 5 into 1. So 5 into 1 is equal to, similarly, 2 into x. In between there is plus sign, so you put plus. 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1. So 5 into x is 5x minus 5 is equal to 2 into x is 2x. So 6 plus 1 is 7, so plus 7. Now bring the like terms, like x terms on one side and numbers on the other side. So let's bring this 2x this side. Okay, so 5x. So plus 2x, when it's come this side, it will become minus 2x. Minus 5 is equal to 7. Take this number on the other side. So it will be 5x minus 2x will be equal to 7. Minus 5 and goes on the other side become plus 5. So 5x minus 2x is nothing but 3x. See, the alphabets are same, so you can add and subtract. So 7 plus 5 is 12. I want to find x, so take the 3 on the other side. So x will be equal to 12 divided by 3. 3 ones are, 4s are. So x will be equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 is the root of this question or the solution of this equation. Let's solve few more questions. 3y plus 5 equal to 2. First of all, take this 4 on the other side. It will become 3y plus 5 equal to 2 is division by 4, divided by 4 you take on the other side, become multiplication by 4. So 3y plus 5 is equal to 8. Take this 5 on the right hand side, so 3y is equal to 8 minus 5. 3y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 divided by 3, that is equal to 1, because when you take this multiplied by 3, that will become division. Okay, that's all. Next question. This is a similar type of question, so it is like 5x upon 3 plus 2 is equal to x plus 4. First of all, take this 2 that side, that is 5x upon 3 is equal to x plus 4 minus 2. So 5x upon 3 is equal to x. 4 minus 2 is 2, so plus 2. Now you need to take this 3 on the other side, so it's 5x is equal to 3. It's multiplied to the entire thing, that is x plus 2. It's not only multiplied with x, it's multiplied with the entire thing. Now just multiply or you open the bracket. So 3 into x will be 3x. In between x and 2 there is plus sign, so plus, and 3 into 2, that is 6. Now take this 3x on the other side. So you will have 5x minus 3x equal to 6. So 5x minus 3x is nothing but 2x. 2x is equal to 6. So I'll write down over here. X will be equal to 6 upon 2. 2 ones are 3s are. So answer is 3. So 3 is the root of this question or the solution of this question. Okay, if you want to solve this type of question, similar type of question, just open the bracket. So outside bracket there is 3. So you multiply 3 into 5. Okay, 5x, because there is x. So it will be 3 into 5x. Then there is minus. So again 3 into 2, that is 3 into 2. Now it's minus 4 into x. So it will be minus 4x. Okay. It's plus. So now it is minus 4 into plus 4. It's like this, minus 4 into plus 4. The answer will be minus 16. Okay, minus 16 is equal to, again bracket, outside bracket we have one number, it will be 7x. 7 into minus 1 is minus 7 plus 1. So here we have 3 into 5x, that is 15x minus 6 minus 4x minus 16 is equal to 7x. Now minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6. Now bring all your x terms to one side and all the numbers on the other side. Let's bring all the x term on the left hand side. So let's bring this minus plus 7x on the left hand side. So 15x minus 4x minus 7x will be equal to, I'll take all the numbers on the other side, that is on the right hand side. So minus 6 is already here, so I'll write down minus 6. Minus 16 when it comes on the other side will become plus 16. Minus 6 again when it comes on this side will become plus 6. Now minus 6 and plus 6 cancels. So now what is 15x minus 4x? It is 11x minus 7x is equal to 16. Now what is 11x minus 7x? It is 4x is equal to 16. I want to find x, so 4, I'll take that side, multiplication goes that side, become division. 4 ones are 4 fours are, so x is equal to 4 is the answer. Okay, next question. This is also a simple question in which it is x upon 2 minus 6 is equal to x upon 3 minus 5. Bring x terms together and the number on the other side. So when x upon 3 comes on this side, it will be minus x upon 3. So 2 minus x upon 3 will be equal to minus 5. When minus 6 goes on the other side, it becomes plus 6. So what is minus 5 plus 6? It is 1. Will be equal to, now we have x upon 2 minus x upon 3. We cannot directly add or subtract because they are unlike fractions. So in order to convert them into like fractions, you need to take the LCM of their denominator. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? So it is 6. If you don't know how to find LCM, I have already made a video on LCM, so you can check that video. So the LCM is 6. Once you get the LCM 6, you have to convert each and every denominator to that number. So x upon 2, 2 into 3 will give me 6. Similarly, I have to multiply with my numerator. Okay, minus, it was x upon 3. 3 into 2 will give me 6. Similarly, x into 2 will be equal to 1. So x into 3 is nothing but 3x upon 6 minus 2 into x is 2x upon 6 will be equal to 1. Now when you have the like fractions, you can add or subtract their numerators. Okay, so now I'll write down over here, it will be 3x minus 2x, the whole thing upon 6 equal to 1. Now 3x minus 2x is nothing but x. So x upon 6 equal to 1. I'll take this 6 on the other side. So the answer will be x is equal to 6. That is the answer. So there is one more method to solve the previous. Okay, there were for the previous question. If I have something like, okay, this example over here, let's take this example. If I want to solve this question, 3x minus 2 is equal to 10. So there is one more method known as transposition. So in this method, what you do is, along with 3x I have minus 2. Okay, so first let's get rid of minus 2. So how are you going to get rid of minus 2? You add plus 2. So 3x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to, see, whatever you are adding or subtracting or multiplying or dividing on the left hand side, same thing you have to do on the right hand side. So it will be plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 is cancelled because minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So you will get 3x is equal to 12. Now along with x I have multiplied 3 over here, like 3 is multiplied. So in order to get rid of that 3, you divide by 3. So you only cannot divide the left hand side, you have to also divide the right hand side. This 3 and this 3 is cancelled. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So x is equal to 4 is the answer. So I'll solve one more question. This is transposition. That means whatever is along with the x, you get rid of that. Let's solve the first. Let's solve the second question. That is 2x upon 4 is equal to 3. I don't want this 4 which is in division. In order to get rid of this 4, I have to multiply by 4. I cannot only multiply by 4 on the left hand side. So I also have to multiply it on the right hand side. So into 4. So this 4 and this 4 is cancelled. So I am getting 2x is equal to 12. Now I don't want this 2 which isn't multiplied. So let's divide by 2. I have to do it here also. This 2 and this 2 is cancelled. So x is equal to 6. That's the answer. Okay, let's solve one last question. So 6z minus 8 is equal to 1. First of all, get rid of the number. So minus 8 is present over here. So what should I add in order to get rid of this? It is plus 8. But I have to add on both the sides. So minus 8 plus 8 is 0. So it is 6z is equal to 9. Now along with z I have 6 which is multiplied. So in order to get rid of that, I have to divide. This is always opposite. If minus is present, you add plus. If multiplication is there, you divide. If division is there, you multiply. So this I have to do it here also. 6 and 6 is cancelled. So z is equal to 9 by 6. I'll divide this number by 3 and I'll get my answer, that is equal to 3 by 2. This you can use for any question. Okay, it will always work. This is transposition method. So I have few questions for you all to solve. So let me know the answers in the comment section. Okay, this is the question. First question, that is 5x plus 4 is equal to 19. You can use any method that you want. Second is 2x plus 12 is equal to 3 minus x. The last question, 7 bracket 3x minus 1. The whole thing minus 6 bracket 2x plus 3 is equal to 8 bracket x plus minus 2 plus 1. If you like the video, like, subscribe and share.